Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be telling you about for season 5. There might be camping videos coming back, but it won't be the same because the old leader of the scout, this guy,
He's done with us. What is wrong with you, David? What do you mean? Just this music. Crazy Frog? Yeah. You like Crazy Frog? No. I got a better one.
That guy, he retired when I became a Eagle Scout. So another person stepped in and became the new leader of the Scouts. And I'm an Eagle Scout now. I'm about to be some kind of a leader, they say. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I did had some fun times back then, and I know I always take a video of when we go to camping, and it was one time I didn't. It was last year, summer camp. I didn't take a video because I didn't go. That's why I didn't took a summer camp video. I know this year they went to summer camp and they didn't even ask me if I wanted to go. It's just my cat. And that really pisses me off. Like, I'm still part of the Boy Scout. I'm an Eagle Scout. I'm a leader. Should I be there for a camp out? Like, I don't know. I just don't know. I really had some good times. I know some things that I know some videos are really short, and I'm sorry. That's why I can't even talk. I just woke up. That's when I just started making videos, so I didn't know how long should I make a video. That's why I know. I'm sorry, I know I make long videos now. I really had some good times camping. I hope you did. I hope you guys watched all of the camping videos. And the last camping video I ever did was last year at the corner on a campout. That was the last camping video I ever did. That's when I became a Eagle Scout. I hope you like my outfit. My outfit. Yeah, I'm gonna be a biker soon. I just don't know what to say. I guess that's it. I will see you guys in the next vlog review.
Are you physically okay? Eyes closed, like the nightmare still there. Empty bottles, teardrops that come me to believe. Crazy whispers, the secrets I can't share. Choke my throat. Songs are written, ghosts of night harm me. Promises shattered, lies they all float. Wind carries away, dreams set them free. We'll rise from ashes soaring so high. Heartbreak can hold down this weary soul. Through this pain, find spark will fly. Hope safe flicker, turn into hope. New dawn breaks, tired eyes wide open. Guitar's melody whisper.